This is a demo of a bot I'm going to build on the newest internal notes article about Zendesk and Zendesk development and Sunshine. In this demo, or in this article, Hi, welcome. In this video, I'm going to demo a chatbot, Flow Builder Bot for Zendesk messaging I built for the latest internal note article. The article will go in depth in how to build it with all the options that are available in Flow Builder, all the kind of steps, API calls, and things you need to build a bot. But this video is just an overview of what we're going to build, how it works, and then maybe if you're interested, you can read the article and subscribe to learn how to build this bot in depth. The bot itself is focused on Jurassic Park, a movie we all know and hopefully love. And what we do in this bot is basically we enable every bell and whistle, every feature available in Flow Builder. The first one that's shown or built in is basically your generic ticket deflection flow. Customer needs information about tickets, we go into the bot and we show a few help center articles related to buying or canceling tickets. Naturally, if we go through the lists and we click on an article, that opens up the help center, shows a nice article with the entire procedure the customer needs to go through. They can read it, they can say whether the article is helpful or not, or they can jump back into the bot, which remains or remembers what the customer is doing across different pages, and the customer can then say, perfect, this is what I needed, problem is solved. Otherwise, they could also escalate to an agent, of course, and see what's going on there. Similarly, maybe the customer comes with another intent to the bot. They don't really are interested in tickets, but they just want to have information about the things available in the park. So they click on dinosaur info. What we will show them here, or what I will show you in the training in the article how to make, is a carousel of dinos in the list. We can yet again click on the link to see more information about the dino, see a nice picture, and have information on what's available in the park. Third flow we're going to learn how to build is with regards to external information or APIs. So imagine a customer going to the help center, going to the help center of Jurassic Park and remembering something about, I remember something about dinos escaping. I want to make sure when we enter the park that everything is safe. They click on the widget and we do an API call to an API to see what's going on. This returns random data, could be raptors escaping, could be T-Rexes escaping, doesn't matter. The bot will show the actual condition in the park and give conditional feedback back with a picture of the dino so you know what to look out for, and an article that explains what to do when the velociraptor escapes. And of course there's a stay safe, and that's it. No escalation this time because even the people at the park are probably running away. The next flow, the final one in our flow, is the most complex. So here it doesn't take like a generic API that applies to all visitors, but we're going to take specific information from the customer, use that in an API and look back. In this case, we want to have an order number. So we're going to look for an order number that goes into a system like Shopify or others, takes the data from the API, parses it, shows a nice answer to the customer, and then the visitor can decide this is okay or no, I still need help. We then check who the customer is. If he's signed on, we automatically pre-fill the name. If not, we fill in the name of the customer and their email address. And at that moment, we escalate to an agent. So this is basically everything possible with Flow Builder and messaging at the moment. And the article on internalnote.com, link below, will show you how to build it in depth with all the steps required. Thanks.